Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the ESR hybrid case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I've been pretty happy with ESR products. I use their screen protectors all the time. That is currently what is on my Galaxy S25 Ultra here, and it's very easy to put on. They're relatively inexpensive for a 3-pack because I do ding them and scratch them time to time, so they take about a whole 30 seconds to swap out. So I really like that. So I picked up one of their cases as well, and again, fairly inexpensive. It's got the ESR Halo Lock MagSafe attachment point, so I can use it with all my MagSafe accessories. I use MagSafe pretty much everywhere. My nightstand charger is MagSafe. My car mount is MagSafe. My desk charger at work is MagSafe. I've got pretty much, like I said, MagSafe stuff everywhere. And the only gripe I have about the S25 Ultra is the fact that they elected not to build the magnetic array into the phone, and you have to have a case on to use it, because I really would like to just go caseless and still be able to use all those accessories, because once you start using all those accessories, it kind of sucks to have to, use cases and stuff like that. I don't think this has plastic on it. I guess not. Use a case like this or something to still be able to use the magnets. But there we go. This one's not too bulky. I actually like this one. It's very clear. Looks pretty good here on the white Galaxy S25 Ultra. Got a nice camera bezel here for protection. Buttons are very clicky, responsive, and tactile. You've got your corner protection up here. You can see some raised bits on the corners there. Got a good spot to get your S Pen out. No issues at all there. I really like the cases that kind of give you the cut right here, so you can get your thumb in there very easily. They kind of cut away the edge here, so you can get your thumb in there. You don't have to use your nail or anything like that. You can pretty much just get your whole finger in there to eject the pin out. You got your USB-C port here, your speaker, and then again, nice corner protection right here. It looks like there is a spot for a lanyard here if you want to add one as well. Of course, it does not come with one or anything like that, but it does appear that is what that is for, if you want to attach a lanyard to your case. And then we have the microphone cut out here on the top. So that is the ESR hybrid case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.